Hi, everyone. My name is Michael Lang, and I will be presenting the Margaret Schumacher Memorial Alumni Lecture for 2025 on October 4th. And I am very excited for the conversation that I will get to have with you guys. We're going to be walking through my own life story and some of the random ideas that I've picked up through my own experience with cancer, through sort of the research I've done over the years using digital storytelling and documentary filmmaking in health and wellness context, and then also about this idea of interpretation. And that's what I'm really excited about is to get to dig into some of these ideas around interpretation that I think have a lot of value for us in this particular cultural time and place that we live. And so we'll be thinking about this idea based on the title of the lecture of "They Might Be Right." And that actually comes from a quote, which I'll explain a little bit more in the lecture itself. But it's sort of this idea, it's this orientation that we can take to the conversations with the people around us, particularly people that we may have different opinions from. And so this idea, they might be right, will be something that we'll explore in more detail. We'll also watch some clips from some of the documentary films and digital stories I've created over the years, and most importantly, we're going to have some really good conversation around those stories and some of the ideas that I'll present to you guys. So I hope to see you all there. Really looking forward to some good conversation. Hopefully, you'll connect with some colleagues, past, present, and future. Enjoy some good food and good conversation. Looking forward to it. I'll see you then.